Benjamin Franklin Plumbing, the punctual plumbers, was recently featured in Inc. magazine, Inc. 500. The article said, Benjamin Franklin Plumbing, who pays customers $5 a minute for every minute they're late, prides itself on quality plumbing repairs for homeowners in Dallas, Fort Worth, San Antonio, and Houston, Texas. The punctual plumbers are licensed, fully insured, background checked, and drug tested. 100% satisfaction is guaranteed to customers who use Benjamin Franklin Plumbing, and the company's warranties far exceed industry standards. Call the Punctual Plumbers for any residential plumbing repair. There is no job too large or too small for Ben Franklin Plumbing. The entire team is fully prepared to assist you with all your residential plumbing needs. In fact, skilled plumbers and customer service representatives are standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If there is a delay, it's you we pay. Caressa Richardson, president, opened Benjamin Franklin Plumbing in 2000. Visit Benjamin Franklin Plumbing at one of their convenient neighborhood locations or call 866-4BEN-NOW. You can also find them online at www.punctualplumberssanantonio.com, www.punctualplumbersdallas.com, or punctualplumbershouston.com. Call today.